we meet again. Hey everyone. First, a reminder to everyone, life is not just about the present struggles, but also countless amounts of winter break homework. Old-fashioned wood splitters, simple mechanical structures, although it can't guarantee precise cutting of every piece of wood, can greatly reduce maintenance costs. This waste separation machine can quickly sort cans and plastic bottles by controlling the wind power. The wave balance system equipped in the ship's T-shock absorber can safely transfer the drilling platform staff to the connecting boat. Installing a cutting device behind the propeller blades can improve the ship's ability to escape when entangled in fishing nets. Will technology brings Sharingan to reality? The mouse that is being read endlessly seems a little panicked. Fully automatic flower packaging machine. It can stretch the packaging bag to a suitable size so that it fits the packaging more closely. Roller-type log segmenter. If the tree is a little thicker, it's estimated that it will hit the face. Although the metal shredder looks like it's turning very slowly, the helical knife it is equipped with can perform cutting and tearing shredding actions at the same time, thereby quickly completing the recycling of scrap metal. Ship-mounted pool lifting system significantly reduces the difficulty of water changes and cleaning. In CNC machining, first use larger tools to cut out the contour, then switch to smaller tools. Precise machining not only improves processing quality, but also reduces the tool load. The principle of a steam train is to burn coal in the furnace, and the generated heat energy is transferred to the water in the boiler through pipes, causing it to boil and produce a large amount of high-temperature and high-pressure steam, which drives the piston to reciprocate, thereby driving the train forward. After enlarging the key-matching linkage textile device, it becomes a manufacturing tool for propeller blades. This consistency of raisin paste melts in your mouth. The roller forging machine can quickly press out uniform thickness, regularly shaped circular steel rings. The spiral chain structure can better withstand heavy loads and improve the overall strength of the chain. Finally, a reminder to everyone, it's estimated that tomorrow will be even harder, so be sure to be happy today. Sailing across the mighty rivers, sow in a row to the beat Tudrum.